our second time coming with us for camping. We used this before for the first time and still survived for the second time. It just cost $10. So we use this for cooking rice. So since it's a small pet, so you just need to cook, I think like maybe 1.5 cup of rice, okay?
And noodles.
And noodles, yeah. Our neighbor just gave us the noodles yesterday, so it was really nice of him, you know. And we cook rice and then some water for coffee. And right now we're actually having a Starbucks coffee, which our neighbor has gave yesterday, because they lived yesterday. So, and for us, we're going to leave today, but it's probably around 4 o'clock because it's too hot. Still, it's gonna be so hot going on again, get back again. So, yeah, for 2 days and like 2 nights and 3 days, it's actually pretty good experience. So
Surviving.
but I think for now, this is a goodbye for us, because yeah.
You're from what name?
Sorry, but we have to let you go. We have to let this go. I'm sorry. It's gonna be so sad. It breaks our heart. Oh my god.
Are you crying for the fact?
Yeah.
Just say goodbye, kiss.
Goodbye.
You're gonna leave that one here.
You have to throw it there. And then
The rubbish.
you were really good help for us.
No, it could be, you walk, you go there. Put on top of there. Yeah, to be nice. Go on,
For
put
donation.
there.
For donation.
No, I think
Are you
we
gonna?
have to put it there. We just have to put it here.
Nah, it would be nice if you put there on top.
Some water, and then whoever may find you that.
Goodbye. Good luck with the second day for using it.
So we're gonna have to put some water in it.
That's really bad, isn't it? We just leave it there. Oh.
Are you gonna miss it? Are you gonna miss it?
It breaks my heart.
Move the woods then, and then
I have to pour some water.
yeah, move the woods.
Whoever may find you that.
Oh. Genie in the bottle.
Please take good care of you.
Move the wood. No, move the wood.
Really big help for us. But this is your time. This is
To let you go.
your time.
Pinahirapan talagang kasi Rola iwanan na mag-isang ganyan. That's not nice.
For us to let you go.
It's not nice.
You did good to us. But, sorry.
And you're trying to be bad with that part.
It's really big help. We make coffee, we make rice, we make noodles. What else you can make? Can make a lot.
Just
Imagine.
for like $10.
Yeah.
So, speak help.
Goodbye, Kaldero.
Survival.
Ginago mo naman eh.
I put in my bag.
All right.